Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay. So let's get started, Taurians. Let's see what are the messages for Taurians for the first 10 days of July. These two cards also fell off while I was putting the deck, so I thought of including them. The messages from this deck for Taurians. Guidance from the angels. Okay. Message from the universe for Taurians. So, Taurians, what I see here is definitely things are not moving forward because of some reason in your life. You are totally stuck on something or someone, or there is a situation which is stuck basically in your life. Okay. And now this, it is stuck because either because of your own inner fears, either because of your own negative thinking, either because of your own uh, there are certain things in your thought process which are holding you back, or you're chaining you down from moving forward. It can be that, it can be your own energy, it can be the energy of someone in your vicinity. Okay, so there is definitely somebody who is having trying to control you a lot, and perhaps that is the reason that you're not able to move forward. Okay, so basically it is about somebody in your life, or you yourself, or your negative thinking is controlling you a lot. It can be that also. So it's all about negativity, or a negative experience which you had which still controls you or controls your mindset. So if it is you, it is your own negative thinking, your own negative mindset, for whatever reason it is that things are not moving forward, or it can be an external influence in your life who has a lot of control on you, and you don't have the guts to move ahead or move forward in your life, though you want to. though you want to. So basically, the whatever the things are stuck here, or things are not moving forward, are just because of a hell lot of a powerful energy which is negative. Okay, so whatever this energy is coming from, wherever this energy is coming from, is totally negative and is causing stagnation in your life basically. But what I see here is that you are just yearning for a new beginning, and you do have something, some new beginning in your life. There is something, you see light at the end of a tunnel sort of a thing, or you do see something which is a relief, which is providing you a relief, and you want to move towards that situation or that person. Okay, so you do see a new beginning, or a new beginning is coming in your life, but I think it is in your vicinity and you have an idea as to what it is all about. Okay, what I feel here is that you feel this. See, definitely there is some sort of a new beginning which is coming in your life, but this negative thing is perhaps still holding you back. You feel betrayed, you feel rejected, you feel ignored. Maybe there is a financial problem, but you feel you don't feel in a very good position. And what I feel is that it can be a past experience or a recent experience, whatever it is. Maybe that is a still lingering energy still, but definitely there is some sort of a betrayal which you feel in some way, shape or form. And that can be on your mind, that is, you're so obsessed by this betrayal in whatever way it was, or a setback which has happened in your life, that is controlling you to an extent that you are reluctant in moving forward, and you are not moving forward, you were not moving forward till now, whatever it was. But definitely there is a new beginning which is giving you a stable, which is giving you stability. It is giving you, what I see is, it is giving you a lot of healing also. So there is definitely a new beginning which you know it's in your life. This can be a person, this can be a situation, it can be a new project, it can be a change of career, whatever it is. But definitely you are seeing something in your life which is a new beginning, and it is going to give you a lot of happiness. This is giving you a lot of happiness, and it will give you happiness, and or at least you perceive it to be as a source of a long term commitment or happiness in your life. Okay, and but the thing is that this betrayal in some way, shape or form, or this setback in your life, whatever this setback was, it can be a financial setback, it can be an emotional setback. Maybe people left you for whatever reason, or you felt left out for whatever reason. But you had sort of downgraded in your life in whatever way over here, and this is something which is still on your mind, and it is controlling you heavily, because it was a major setback of your life perhaps, and it still controls you. And that is the reason that you are not able to get out of it, and it holds you. It holds you. I think that is why this devil has come up, because of this thing here. But this new beginning is definitely, at least being perceived as, and it will be, I think so, a solid commitment, or it's stable. It is something stable, it is something which is causing you to, giving you a reason to celebrate and be happy. Okay, and you are definitely moving away from negativity. You are definitely moving away from this controlled negativity, or your obsessive thoughts, or this negative mindset of yours, whatever it is. You are definitely working on yourself perhaps, or this new beginning is perhaps powerful enough or lucrative enough for you to drag you out from this controlled and stuck energy. And you are definitely stepping up and moving towards peace, and galloping towards this new beginning. You are definitely galloping towards this new beginning, and you are able to, I think you are able to get back your happy times. That's what I feel. You are able to get back your happy times, or rebuild yourself in whatever way it was. And again, here there is a sneaky card. What I feel here is, you definitely have been cheated in some way, shape or form. Maybe somebody was playing with your emotions, maybe somebody was not committing to you, uh, That is why you were, maybe somebody has rejected you because of their own playful reasons. Okay, maybe they didn't want to commit to you. It can be that also. So that is the reason which was the cause of this negative energy, that past experience. There has been some sort of cheating going on in your life, some sort of deception perhaps, okay, which required a lot of strength for you to deal with. And I think you are dealing with it with a lot of strength, and you are literally sort of dragging yourself out from this negative mindset towards a positive mindset, trying to recreate your happy times, moving towards this new beginning. Okay, with the Queen of Spades, what I see is that uh, being I think you are regaining your power. That's what I feel. You are regaining your power, you are regaining your authority, you are regaining your power. That's what I feel. And this is requiring a lot of strength. You are dealing with it with a lot of strength, whatever the situation is. And it is obviously beautiful that you are able to come out of this negative situation and rebuild yourself. Number 17 or number 3 may be of some significance for you. Celebration. This is a wonderful time in your life. Difficulties fall away, and light at the end of the tunnel is a star you can wish upon. The timing is right to make a long-term plan for joyful future. Have faith that things are going to turn out beautifully. Creativity and abundance. Dear one, you are being called to action. You are ready to accomplish great things and truly come into the fullness of who you are. This is a time of great creativity, giving birth to beloved projects, or becoming a parent. Follow your passion so that abundance and prosperity manifest for you. So definitely you are coming out of negativity and you are moving towards abundance, rebuilding yourself. Okay. Again, number 31 or number 4 may be of some significance for you over here. Love makes the difference. Love helps to heal the past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. So they basically, it is all about self-love. That's what I said. You are literally dragging yourself out because this opportunity or this person, if it is a new beginning with a person, then this is something really great. And this is, maybe it is a love of this person or this situation. It was so lucrative that you really wanted to move towards it, leaving everything behind. And this is the sort of motivation, or this is the strength, or that situation or that person is the motivation behind you to deal with this your negativity and come out of it and rebuild yourself. It's a beautiful and a very powerful reading, Taurians. Yeah, this is the motivation coming from that love this person has given you, or maybe the love which you've given yourself, that you've healed and you are ready to deal with your negativities and negative fears and recreate happiness for you. So Taurians, hope it helps, and that's all I have for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.